Look at that. It's like a water bulldozer. I've never seen anything like that. Oh, it looks like it's getting all the, like, pollen and mush and stuff up. Wow, I never knew that existed. A boat bulldozer.
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. I've been all around the world.
On Main Street, USA.
Every city, every place.
This is still very cool. Lower level. Elevator E. There we go. So coming down in the morning in the Destino Tower to find a little snack, a little something to eat, you end up coming into the main lobby. Well, the upper, actually one level up is the main lobby level. This is the lower lobby. And in the evening, the lower lobby becomes an extensive bar area. And you see those two guys down at the far end there. They're running just a tiny little coffee shop quick service. And behind those bottles on the counter, there's 3 or 4 glass stands full of muffins and croissants, and the only beverage service they have here beyond the stuff you can buy in a bottle is a couple of coffee pots at the far end, and they do make some specialty coffees with some machines there. They have a fairly nice seating area down here, which I've found over the mornings has not been particularly busy by any stretch at this time of day, which is nice. It's not super quiet, but it's definitely not super busy either. So I've been spending my mornings quite often sitting in a chair like this and sipping a cup of coffee, reading a book, and just enjoying the big lobby space. There's the check-in desks up there. Got a lot of foot traffic coming and going from upstairs to downstairs. A few people going to the fitness room, which is off the elevator, one level up over here. A few people going to the pool. But if you go out through the frosty window, way down that way, to the old lobby, you'll get to the full quick service restaurant area. But it's a cool space, lots of interesting features. You got the mirrored ceiling up here, a mosaic, funky stained glass above the bar / quick service coffee shop. Neat little light up column details. And of course, the Walt and Mickey mural, which is really about the only thing that reminds you you're at a Disney hotel here. Oh, and she would be so disappointed if I didn't point out over here. You see it. And if it weren't for the condensation all over the windows, you can still see out. And it's a nice, pleasant view to just sit down and have a cup of coffee in the morning.
We got Spanish themed music playing in the background. In this direction, it says boardroom. And what else? Oh, it is the exit to the outside. Cast members, what is... Got some crazy big artwork. Almost, if you look at this a certain way, almost a hidden Mickey. So you have to wonder, was it intentional? Probably. So there's not a lot of Disney here. So if you have little ones and you're wanting that really Disney feel, this is probably not the resort for you, because they are really emphasizing the whole convention center feel here at Coronado now. Like, they've redone the Pepper Market. Let's go take a look at the fire pit. Fire pit emergency shut off. So this is one of the larger fire pits I have seen on Disney property. Okay, you have to notice the new trash can with the new Grand Destino picture. Let's check out the tile mosaic. Lots of colors. Oh, the other side is a bench. Oh, that's nice. Seating surface may be hot. Well, that's nice to just sit out here. It's not far from the main pool.
No, it's really not bad with the cut through here.
Not bad at all.
You gotta walk around a little bit of it, but yeah, it's really a pretty quick walk there.
I can remember the first time I stayed here, we're in the ranchos over there, and walking across this bridge was, I've never seen so many gnats and bugs, because we would have to walk right through here to get to the main building. And this family is making use out of the turf there, the grass, and playing ball. All right, so ooh, what is back here? Hold on, cutting you off.
The Destino Plaza.
Ooh, okay, so we just have, just the confined space. What's in there? Huh, doesn't look like we can, just a little confined space here, one bench, that's it. Okay, so we're gonna go back into the nice, cool, clean smelling covered walkway. So lots of windows that make it very bright in here. The flooring is light, and they brought in the wood element of outside. And we're gonna end up going into what used to be the main area with the, oh crud, this is where check-in was. I was curious to know what they've done. Oh, they haven't done anything. Interesting. So this used to be the area that you would check in at Coronado Springs, which looks really weird because it's just empty. I was curious to know if they would have just blocked it off, but obviously not.
But the one quick thing I noticed, it echoes a lot less.
Yeah, it was.
Quieter space than the new front desk.
So they've told you front desk has been relocated to the Grand Destino Tower. Actually, has that been up there? I don't know. I don't know if that was up there before. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Look at this. Tom, come look at this. So on camera, those lights do not look like a hidden, off. Okay, look at that. You see? Okay, nice. Now look at it through the camera.
Oh, no way.
It's a total hidden Mickey. I'm telling you, in person, you cannot see the hidden Mickey. That's pretty wild. Whoa. With this area empty, you can actually see all the architecture and little details they put into this room. It's really awesome.
It makes you wonder what they're going to do with the space.
Yeah, what are they going to do with this space?
It's a nice, quiet little lounge.
Yeah. Alright. So I guess all the rest is the same. It's just weird this not being a busy area anymore. That used to be the main entrance. Alright, gift store, same location, same name. Okay, this was not available last time I was here, which wasn't that long ago. Paint your own Mexican wood-carved character. Paint alongside the artist and take your traditional wood-carved character home with you. But how much is it? Wednesday and Friday. So you get to paint one of these, but they're not telling you what time it is. And oh my gosh. They have one of those. Oh my gosh, how much is that? Oh my gosh, $78. Crud. So this sort of looks like what you see in the lobby of the Mexican pavilion with the dog and cat. That's what it reminds me of.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place. Always been a restless girl, but now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. Longing for you, pick up the